What's up, guys? It's February 18th, 2025. Pretty sideways day today. It looks like a expanding triangle. I didn't trade. Looks like it would have been tough. Well, today would have been interesting because I was watching the day. I think here's a trade I would have liked to take because this got one arm pretty quick. So that's a good breakout point to me. I don't know if I would have taken this breakout point. Wow. I don't even know who I am talking about. I would have liked to trade it today on a day like this. Today, days like this would have shredded me, but I'm looking at breakout points and trading range days, breakout points get retested a lot. Would have missed this trade, or maybe I get stopped out here. Here's 1R. This makes 1R quickly, gets retested and plunges. I had a line here set here because like an actual line I wasn't trading. I drew this on TradingView. I want to see if the price would retest here because there were trap limit order traders, but this breakout was so strong, the gap stayed open. But this is also a weak breakout because it starts with it's a bull gap, but it's a bear bull bear. So we want to see 3 bars in a row for it to be a good gap. Here we are on the daily chart. It's this bar. I'm doing this after the markets, or yeah, whatever. The market's open for the afternoon, at late night. What? The market's open for the after hour session. So looking at this bar right here, bad. It's not the best follow through. Looks like some momentum still coming out of this bar. Overnight session is starting to. Well, it's a bull bar. I'm not gonna say it's a complete rally because we've only broken out of yesterday's close. Excuse me, out of today's close because this is also today's bar. So this is the high that the bulls would like to break out of. Swing here and keep going. Bears see this as the high of a trading range and they want to swing short now. We are in a trading range. That doesn't mean it's a short yet. Let's see supporting price action because right now this bar has so much momentum. Leg 1, pull back, leg 2, pull back, leg 3 possibly. There's also a lot of fractal legs. That was just a summary of those legs. Here we can see a bunch of legs. So the same legs I just counted. Leg 1, pull back, leg 2, pull back, leg 3. I guess that would be leg 3. So leg 1, pull back, leg 2, pull back, leg 3. So that's the same count I did here. Leg 1, pull back, leg 2, pull back, leg 3. And then zooming in on this price action right here. Leg 1, pull back, leg 2, pull back, leg 3. And then see how this is a separate day. So we could say leg 1, pull back, leg 2, pull back, leg 3. And then here's trading range behavior, like 1, pull back, like 2, pull back, like 3, or you could say like 1, pull back, like 2, like 1, pull back, like 2, starts up here, there's a gap up, it sells off. We have sideways price action here, a couple legs down for the bears, like 1, pull back, like 2, pull back, like 3, testing here. Then bulls rally, so there's buyers waiting in the middle of the breakout point. This was a good bar to get tested. It would be cool to be a long-term buyer at this level. However, now that the 50% level has been tested, this may not be the same opportunity once it travels back down. So we'll get into it. Where are we? Man, this is a rough price action day. Well, I mean, it's a rough breakout trading day, not rough price action. Price action doesn't know if it's good or bad. Gap up, bar 1, bad follow through. It's a bear bar with tails. Bar 2 is a bull bar. Right now, at this moment in time, we don't actually know the context for bar 2 because it could be a gap up. Bar 1 is the pullback and we start to rally, or it could be a gap up. Bar 1 is a start to a reversal, and bar 2 is a pullback for the bears. So I think it's best to wait for more information. Bar 3, now we see a strong bear bar that should travel 1 tick below its swing low. Give me 2 seconds. And it does that with bar 4, and then bar 5 rallies. This is the same low. I'm looking at these numbers up here. So bar 4's low is 13375, 13375. So it's the same low. Here's a double bottom. So that could be also 3 legs up for the bulls. Like 1, pull back, leg 2, pull back, leg 3. Like 1, pull back, leg 2, pull back, like, yeah. Like 1, pull back, leg 2, pull back, leg 3. Climactic price action to support. Bar 4 is testing this gap. Rally, rally. We just count those legs, and then we have a strong second leg, a visible second leg, 6 and 7. What do I mean by visible? I mean, when I'm counting the tails on 4 and 5, those are fractal because they're just tails, they're implied. And then when I say visible, it's something that we can actually see. So like 1, pull back, like 2, pull back, like 3. I talk about this a lot now, but there's 3 types of trend line breaks. I hope new low, recent low or higher low. This was a higher low trend line break. So that's the worst for the bears, best for the bulls. And then the bulls rally for several hours. Excuse me. They rally for several hours. Isn't that weird? Leg one, pullback leg two, sideways price action. Deep pullback, we have training range behavior, big gap up, big gap down. Excuse me, big gap up, sell off, so big up, big down. And we have a lot of overlap within this sell. So we already know there's bull pressure building up. There's not a lot of bear pressure. There's not just bars selling off into infinity and beyond, or infinity and beyond's above us. Hell is below us, I guess. I don't even know. I'm ready to trade. I haven't traded in a few days. Just been trying to gather myself. Okay, so here we go. Leg one, pullback leg two, sideways price action, deep pullback leg three, leg one, pullback leg two, pullback leg three, testing the high here, bar 29, and that sells off. That sells off. Leg one, pullback leg two, pullback leg three, wedge top into resistance. This is showing to get its own second leg, and it does support. It's buy low, so high as range plays. So you buy the bottom third and sell in the upper third, do nothing in the middle. You could also say this is the entire range. So you buy down here, sell up here, do nothing in the middle. The EMA is mostly flat. And then we start to get a breakout towards the end of the day. 44 through 46, leg one, 47, pullback, leg two, pullback. And then leg three, bar 56 becomes climactic. Leg one, pullback, leg two as well. However, there's a trendline break 48, so I don't want to dismiss that. Leg one, pullback, leg two, new low 51, trendline break 52, so that this does count as a leg because both components are active. It's not an equal sized leg. And then we get a deep, really strong third leg, which becomes climactic, and bear stops are up here, up here, up here. So they're going to have to take profits. 57, inside bar. The only type of bar that is never breaking out is an inside bar. 58, I think, is a bear trap. I was looking at this like that's too good to be true. Too much momentum after 3 legs down. This could be a better fade. I did nothing. Look at 59. It sells off enough for bears to make a point and then traps everyone else. Traps all the limit order bears. The limit order bears do have some time to get out around 60 and 62. Or they can get out anywhere, really. They don't have to. They can get out for a small loss. That causes a rally 63 to 65. Strong to get its own second leg. Now we have a good bull gap, 63 through 65, because it's bull, bull, bull. Sideways price action, shallow bear legs, more doji-ish, so very shallow wedge bottom. Sideways price action, wedge bottom, creates a double bottom. Lots of bullish price action. Bears are getting trapped, bulls are getting trapped, and then finally, end of the day, we get that snap. 76, 78, giving the day looked pretty bearish, like the market was going to collapse, and then all of a sudden, in the last hour of the day, it makes it an expanding triangle. So it'll be interesting to see what happens going forward this week. Expanding triangles are tough for breakout traders, so stay safe. Hope you guys have a good one. I'll talk to you tomorrow. If you learned something, share the show. Thank you, everyone.